Welcome back, folks. In this video, we're going to draw cryoganal. This time I will not screw this one up. I already made this one twice, and, well, I messed up big time. There we go. Drawing cryogonal is kind of like a puzzle, so try not to mess it up. Okay, so cryogonal is the shape of a snowflake, and basically he's okay. His code name is the crystallizing Pokemon, and he's an ice type Pokemon. His crystalline structure is made of ice formed with snow clouds with long chains of ice crystals. It unleashes a freezing attack. Glad I'm finally getting the chance to draw this guy. To be honest, cryogonal is like one of my favorite ice type Pokemon. Now that that's done, we should draw the eyes in here. There we go. Now we just draw this mark here. There we go. Come on. Now we just draw the crystals in his mouth. Well, I don't know if that is his mouth. Alexa, play Blizzard by Geek Music.
Dragon Ball Super Broly. Theme song, Blizzard by Geek Music on Amazon Music.
And there, that's cryoganal. There we go. And that's how you draw him. Pretty awesome, huh? Anyways, that's all the time I have for now. I'll draw you more characters real soon. Bye.